Are you looking to offer parents more than just a preschool admission? Introduce them to the Nursery Smart Book Kit, a thoughtfully designed to elevate your preschool's brand and leave a lasting impression on every parent with Anytime, Anywhere learning platform, which comes absolutely free with every kit. As school leaders, we understand the importance of aligning our preschool practices with national standards. That's why My Bright books have been thoughtfully designed to meet the requirements of the National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023, ensuring your school is future ready, compliant, and child centric. The Smart Book Kit for Nursery covers a 30 pages phonics books, a 36 pages counting book, a 32 pages rhymes book, a 24 pages general knowledge book, a 56 pages storybook in user-friendly landscape format, a 64 pages number tracing and writing activity book, a 56 pages alphabet and pattern writing activity book, a 64 pages coloring activity book, a 226 pages jumbo worksheet activity book. The kit also includes 8 vibrant wall charts covering fruits, animals, transport, healthy foods, and more. An activity calendar to support monthly learning plans. All About Me chart to encourage self-expression, a box of crayons to inspire creativity, and a DIY multi-intelligence. Portal card for access to interactive activities such as quiz, craft work, Montessori exercises of practical life, etc. Discover our smart books, the book that talks, teaches, and guides. Just scan and learn. Loved by teachers for instant guidance in the classroom. With over 1,000 free videos built right into the books, learning comes alive anytime, anywhere. No separate app needed, no extra payment. Parents simply scan a QR code to unlock teacher-guided video lessons that complement the books. Why preschool owners choose this kit? 1. Enhances the perceived value of your preschool program. 2. Impresses parents and builds a stronger school trust. 3. Offers effortless reinforcement of classroom learning at home. 4. Positions your school as progressive and parent-focused. 5. Increases your brand credibility with minimal additional effort. This Nursery Smart Book Kit is the perfect value addition to your preschool's offering. There is a separate unboxing video which gives a nearly real-life experience of this smart book kit.